Does Pinterest have a role in B2B marketing? It does. You would be surprised, but every single day there are millions of people going to Pinterest to get inspiration, to get information, to get access to insights on business topics. That's right. If you go to Pinterest and you type in content marketing, if you go to Pinterest and you type in real estate, SaaS, you name it, anything in your world as it relates to B2B, I am pretty confident that you will find someone who created a board and have pinned a bunch of content and resources that are related to your space. A lot of people sleep on Pinterest, but it's an amazing opportunity. It's an amazing channel that you can use to unlock great traffic, to drive great results, and also drive great leads. There's been a surge of people using Pinterest to generate leads on the back of lead magnets. What that is essentially a checklist, a resource, something that you give your email for in exchange for an asset. And if you can do that on Pinterest consistently and get pinned, you can win.